Hi again everybody, it's Mel at Stocksbridge Guitar Tech and here we are, lesson number 13. So in this lesson we're going to learn two more new chords, a couple there that you probably didn't recognise. I was playing the E major and A major, which we've already covered, but I also played B major and C7. So it's those two chords we're going to be looking at today. So let's zoom in. We'll do the C7 first and then we'll do the B major. Okay, so we'll start with the C7 chord, which you should find pretty easy, as you already have learned the C major chord. So C major, 5th string, ring finger, 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string, index finger, 1st fret. Remember, we just play 5 strings on this chord. That's C major. Now the only difference here is instead of this open G, we're going to place the little finger on that G string in the 3rd fret. So just there. So the C chord, and drop that little finger into the 3rd fret of the G string. It gives us this B flat note, which is the 7 note. So that's C7, very simple. Once again, 5th string, ring finger, 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, little finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then index finger, 2nd string, 1st fret. So that's the C7 chord. So we'll move on to the B major chord. Now this is like our A major chord. If you imagine the A major, where we place the index, middle and ring fingers all inside the 2nd fret. But we want to change those fingers to middle, ring and little finger. So we're going to place the middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and little finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. And we're going to move that shape up 2 frets. So we're moving from the 2nd fret up to the 4th fret. And then to finish this chord off, we need to place the index finger on the high E string, the 1st string, at the 2nd fret. So it's a bit of a stretch, this one for you. But it is doable. I've stated before that I've got really small hands and this is quite a fat chunky neck on this guitar, so I don't really find this guitar too easy to play. So if I can do it, I'm sure anyone can. Again, it's just practice and technique and learning how to stretch your fingers out properly. So once more, for this B major chord, we've got the middle finger on the 4th string in the 4th fret. We've got the ring finger on the 3rd string in the 4th fret. We've got the pinky finger on the 2nd string in the 4th fret. And then we've got the index finger on the high E string, the 1st string, at the 2nd fret, and that's B major. So there we go, folks. That's 2 more chords for you, B major and C7. And that's about it for the open chords. You know enough chords now once you've learned all of these, and you can switch smoothly between them to start learning some songs. So in the next lesson, lesson 14, I'm going to give you some tips and pointers on how we can start learning songs using these chords. And I'm also going to show you a finger exercise that you can use to help you strengthen your fingers of your left hand and to help you stretch them out so that it feels more comfortable when you're playing the chords. So join me for lesson 14. If you've got this far, I'd just like to say exceptionally well done, because it's not as easy as it looks when you're first starting out. I can still remember how difficult I found it when I first started to play the guitar. So if you've come this far with me, please stick with me. We're going to get into some more intermediate stuff from here on in. So next lesson, lesson 14, please join me. Please subscribe and click the bell notification. That's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.